What is up, guys? David here, and welcome to Airsoft SWAT. Now, in this game mode, there is the red team, who's a SWAT team, and we have unlimited respawns, and the blue team, who are the terrorists, and they have 2 respawns each. The SWAT team starts off in this tiny little room, and the terrorists start off in the basement. However, 10 members of the terrorist team are allowed to start on the floor right below us. The goal of the SWAT team is to clear the entire building and rescue a hostage which is located in the basement. Enough talking, let's get into the gameplay.
Shoot! Hey, down there! They're right down here!
After some time, game staff moves a respawn and we all act like we're hit and walk out of the room.
Got one! Okay. Let's go, we're gonna push the stairs, guys. Go! Just rush it! Rush it! Go! Rush it! Watch your corners! Raichu? Go. Hey, wait, Raichu, go first! Raichu, go first! Hey, back up! Raichu! Back. Go, Petey, I'm coming with you. Alright, let's go. Pull back. Where are we going, Petey? They're going to distract it while we go around this way. Go! Yeah, right. Go, everyone, go! Come down. No, I didn't hit you. Don't rush it! Don't rush it! A lot of good guys. Back him up. Keep going. Come on, guys. Just go down there. Get up under. Come on, guys. You dead? Yeah. All right. Upset's clear. Hey! We're up! Red! We're up! Is there anyone behind us? He's in. Hey! Come Chickens! Grab the shield! Grab it up! Ran into the shield. Looked over to the right room. Get the shield, Grab the shield, dude. Grab the shield. Let's grab some guys. You pull with us? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Hey, I swear to God, if you chicken out, I'm shooting your goddamn asses. Let's go. We'll be in front of us. Hey, go back room. Yeah. All the way. Come on. I literally caught one in my mouth. Come here,